With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If three infinite charge sheet of uniform surface charge density sigma, 2 sigma and 4 sigma minus 4 sigma are placed as shown in the figure, find out the electric field intensity at ABCD. So if you see here, this is having charge sigma, 2 sigma minus 4 sigma. So we know that because of a uniformly charged sheet, the electric field, it is, if I draw, it is equals to sigma by 2 epsilon naught if the charge density is sigma. So if you see here, it will be directed away from the plate if the charge is positive, and toward the plate if the charge is negative, right? If you see, away and away. So if I write down here, it will be q by 2 epsilon naught. Here it will be q by 2 epsilon naught. Q by 2 epsilon naught, q by 2 epsilon naught because of the first plate, right? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught it is, right? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught, sigma by 2 epsilon naught, because we know this, that it is directed away from the plate. Now let's come to the second plate, which is having charge 2 sigma. So it will be again directed away, so it will be 2 sigma away, 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 right? So it will be 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught, 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught, 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught, right? Now if you see here, this is having negative charge, so it will be directed toward. So we'll write down the direction as toward the plate, toward the plate. So here it will be 4 sigma by 2 epsilon naught, 4 sigma by 2 epsilon naught, 4 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Okay. So if you see, now you can get the electric field at A, B and C by adding them vectorially. So if you see here at point A, these two are directed upward and this is directed downward, right? So 4 minus 2 minus 3, right? 4 minus 2 plus 1, that is 3. So it will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught in downward direction, right? If you see, 4 minus 3 is 1. And if you see the electric field at point B, if you see, it is 5 minus 2, right? If you see, these two are in same direction, so it will be 4 plus 1 5 minus 1, 4 plus 1 5 minus 2, it is 3 sigma by 2 in downward direction. Now if you see at point C, if you see here, all the three are directed toward, right? If you see, all the three are directed toward, so 4 plus 3, it is 7. And if you see the fourth one, if you see here, these two are directed away and this is directed toward, so 4 minus 3, it is 1. So 1 sigma by 2 epsilon naught, it will be upward. So these will be the electric field at ABCD and answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.